Lay out craft paper. Tape together enough pieces to cover the area needed for your acoustic panel kit. Arrange your panel kit on the craft paper in the design you desire. Align your design with the edge of the craft paper, as we'll be using the edge of the craft paper to level the design on the wall. Trace around each panel. Mark the placement of the impaling clips. Decide how high on the wall you want your panel kit, and then draw a level line. Align your paper template to the level line and tape to the wall. Affix the impaling clips to the wall where you've marked on your paper template. We recommend 2 to 3 impaling clips for triangles, hexagons, and circles, and 3 to 4 impaling clips for squares and rectangles. Line up your panels with the outlines that you traced on the craft paper. Push each panel into the impaling clips. Repeat with each panel until your kit is mounted to the wall. Once your kit is on the wall, start removing the craft paper. You can cut or tear the paper away, keeping one hand on the panels as you tear away the paper so the panels remain in place. Once all the paper is removed, go back and make sure every panel is securely pushed into the impaling clips.